Hi guys, this is Justena and today I am going to do a braid out for the first time. So natural hair queens, if you're ready for that braid out, just keep on watching. Guys, so we're gonna do a braid out. As y'all know, I usually do a twist out like all the time. But I don't do a twist out, I do a wash and go. I've never, ever done a braid out. So this is gonna be my first time doing a braid out. So, yeah. So if this is your first time here, make sure you subscribe, click that red button and the bell next to it so you can be notified of my next video. And also comment below, what is a style that you do? Do you do twist outs? Do you do braid outs? Do you do wash and goes? Just comment down below. Do you protect the style a lot? So let's get into this braid out. So the products that I'm gonna use and that I've started using, because I kind of started this process yesterday. If y'all know, if y'all went to my Instagram, y'all would have saw the shampoo, conditioner, deep conditioner, and the leave-in, and the oil that I use to seal all that goodness, moisture in. But let's just talk about the leave-in and the sealing oil. So the leave-in I used was the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil one. This is like one of my favorite leave-ins. I used this last night in the shower because I like to put my leave-ins in the shower. It basically helps to like seal in that moisture that I got throughout my wash day, my conditioner, my deep conditioner. It allows me to seal in that oil while I'm ironing the shower, especially because I'm low porosity. You know, we like that warm, steamy water and all that stuff. So to basically absorb moisture into our hair. Y'all want a video about what low porosity is, what porosity is, maybe to try to determine what your porosity is. So just go ahead and leave a comment below and I'll do that as well. Then once I put my leave-in in, I went in and I put my sealing oil. As y'all know, I've been using the sealing oil all summer and I'm getting to the bottom now. And it is actually the African Pride Black Castor Oil. It's from their Miracle line. It is specifically formulated for growth protection. So I use this a lot during my protective style season. And it has black castor oil, tea tree oil, and soybean oil. So if you're looking to grow your hair, this will be a great leave-in conditioner. I mean, not leave-in. This will be a great oil, sealing oil for you to use to block in that moisture and to oil your scalp. Because it does help. I've been having like itchy scalp like the whole summer. I don't know why only during the summer because I usually don't have itchy scalp. But I've been using this and it has been helping with the dryness of my scalp. So very good oil. So these two products I did apply yesterday. I applied this in the shower, twisted my hair up in the shower. Then I went in with this oil, put it on my scalp and put it, then like kind of massaged in my hair and put it all over my hair just to seal that moisture. So I have this turban on. Under this turban is actually a microfiber turban twisty thingy. And that's basically how I went to sleep with my hair wet. And I put the turban on just to kind of absorb some of that moisture. And underneath this, baby, my hair is soft. It's still a little damp, but it's super soft. And I think this is a great way, especially if you do your hair during like nighttime, because it was like really late last night when I did my hair. This is a great way to kind of like help your hair absorb the moisture, especially if you don't do the whole style that night. You want to come back the next day and do the style. This is a great way to seal in that moisture that you got from your wash day and do the style the next day. So that's what I did today. This is actually the first time I did it. I'm hoping that it comes out good, but I know that my hair is soft, moisturized, everything. So now let's get to my curling cream. So the curling cream I'm using today is my good brand here, Bella Curls. It is the curl defining cream, the coconut cream. As y'all know, I did a video on this product for the first time, and I did a twist out. As y'all know, twist outs are my thing, like I've been saying. But I did this, and I came out with a bomb twist out. So I want to do it again. So I brought this friend to the video, and we're gonna do a twist. I mean, not a twist out. We're gonna do a braid out today for the first time, guys. If you've never done a braid out before, comment below. If you had one braid out that you did and probably failed, comment below. Tell me your experience. Tell me what you learned from it. All those things. Just go ahead and comment below and just let's chat about it so we can learn from each other. So I am going to start with this. I also have a couple of more items that I'm going to use. I have my water bottle, my warm water bottle, because as y'all know, I have my little twisty turban up here, and it basically absorbs all the moisture, not moisture, but the wetness of my hair. And you know, I need to just dampen it in a little bit, because a lot of the braid out tutorials that I watch, a lot of the people said either they like soaking wet hair or damp hair, and I just at least want to make my hair a little bit more damp, even though it's still a little damp, but you know, I just want to make sure it come out good, because I usually do my twist outs on pretty damp hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I also have my dimming brush, and I just wet myself with it because I just cleaned it. But I have my dimming brush here to just basically comb out those curls, detangle, all that good stuff. And then finally, I have my rat tail comb here. I'm gonna use this just like I use it in my twist outs to comb out the ends of my hair, just to make sure they're smooth. And when I do the coil at the end of my hair, that it comes out really, really smooth. In addition to that, I do have some clips to clip my hair up. And that's basically it. So let's get into this braid out.
Alright guys, as y'all see, the Bella Curls cream is very creamy. I'm going to go ahead and saturate my hair with some warm water to, you know, moisten it back up. Go ahead and add my African Pride oil to seal that moisture in one more time before I go ahead and detangle. Make sure it's thoroughly detangled, and then go ahead and go in with my Bella Curls cream. Smooth that into my hair, detangle one more time before I start braiding my hair. So as y'all see, this is not necessarily a braid out tutorial. I'm just showing y'all how I'm doing this braid out. I did learn some tips, as y'all saw previously, on how to get the perfect braid out, but you know, this is my first time, so I'm not tripping if I make mistakes or anything like that. I'm gonna go ahead and comb out the ends of my hair, then I'm gonna twist the end, and then go ahead and coil it to have a nice coily end, so when it comes out, it looks perfect. So that's how it is looking. Now I finished my hair. I've gone ahead and pinned my twists down in the direction that I want them to lay. This is a couple days later. I do have some product residue. I'm going to go ahead and take off those pins that I have in my hair and start unbraiding my hair. So I did get this trick from I Am Shea to just basically like pull it apart, but since my braids weren't like perfect, I guess, you know, it didn't really work. So yeah, so I'm gonna get a little closer so y'all can see how it looks when I do unbraid it. I just started the end, untwist the end, and then unbraid it. That one, again, it wasn't that good of a braid, but this is how my curls look after I unbraid it. So they look pretty good. But the unfortunate part, when I got to the front and as I got to the point where most of my hair was undone, it didn't look good at all. It was very frizzy. It was something I wasn't really used to compared to my twist outs. I just wasn't feeling it at all.
How my hair looks? Frizzy.
Might need to juice it up a little bit.
So I went ahead and tried to juice it up. So I picked out my hair, picked it from the roots to kind of let it you know, look a little better. But that didn't really work. So I don't know. I was so mad at this point. I just didn't know what to do. So I finally decided that I was going to go ahead and get my Wetline Extreme, my water bottle, and do a puff. So that's what I did for that day. I went ahead and put everything in a puff, gel down my edges, and went in, brushed it, smoothed it out, and went ahead and did a puff. So if y'all made it this far in the video, make sure y'all subscribe, click the red button and the bell next to it to be notified of my next video. Like this video if y'all want to see me try a braid out again. Like this video and comment below what are some tips y'all might have as far as me getting a better braid out. So overall, my hair looks so much better in this puff. I'm so happy I did this instead. The ends of my hair is so curly, so it kind of helps me by doing this puff. So I'm going to go ahead and like fluff it out and just make it look better. And then go ahead and do my edges, make them look sleek and everything. So again, guys, if y'all have any suggestions on how I can better my braid out, please leave a comment below. Because, you know, we all here as a community and we need to learn from each other when it comes to things like this. When one of us knows something and the other doesn't, it's always good to share what you know. So yeah, give your girl some tips because she really needs it. Alright, natural hair queens, I'm going to go ahead and tie my hair down and kind of hold those edges down. Again, if y'all haven't subscribed, make sure y'all subscribe so y'all can be notified of my next video. And I'm going to go ahead and pull out my little baby hairs on the side and tell y'all I thank y'all for coming. I love y'all so much, natural hair queens. Don't forget to subscribe and always remember that you look blessed. Bye guys.